Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making your PC discoverable. Open Settings, set the current network to private, and enable network discovery and file and printer sharing. Once done, confirm you're signed in with an account that can change sharing settings. Admin rights simplify permission changes. Then open File Explorer, right-click the folder you want to share, and choose Properties Sharing to start the first actionable step. This gets the system ready and immediately opens the sharing controls so you can continue. Now you fine-tune who accesses the folder. In Properties, click Advanced Sharing, enable sharing, and name the share. You must set permissions, add specific users or everyone, then assign read, change, or full control depending on needs. Make sure NTFS permissions on the Security tab don't conflict. Mismatched rights cause access failures even when the share looks open. Once you align share and NTFS permissions, consider mapping the share or enabling password-protected sharing to control remote access. Finish by accessing the share from another PC using // computer name, /share name, or map it as a network drive for persistent access. Enter credentials if prompted. Make sure password-protected sharing matches your expectation. If you can't see the share, verify Windows firewall rules and that function discovery services are running. These allow discovery and browserless access. As a troubleshooting tip, if access still fails, confirm SMB protocol settings and network profile. Then restart the function discovery provider and function discovery resource publication services before retesting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.